into our eyes.
Into the eyes.
The eyes look very cold.
It not only look, it feels very cold.
I think that is really cold.
Yeah. Where can we find the eyes?
But we have to wait in the long snow day, and we find ice.
Yeah.
One eyes look very blue.
Oh, really? But I believe you have never seen in your life the real eyes in the outside.
Oh,
You cannot see the eyes outside. We cannot have eyes. You just find the eyes in the fridge, right?
the fridge
Yeah.
in the
We only have eyes in the fridge.
in the line.
No. To like in English, how does you call it?
What?
To like in English, how do you name it in English?
I don't know.
You forgot it? How do you name it? How do you call it?
I don't know.
Fridge. You forgot it. That is a fridge.
No.
That is fridge.
No.
You don't know? You forgot it?
When we put the ice into the fridge,
Yes.
if you would got it,
You're.
the goblin,
Where's the goblin?
me, I am the goblin.
No. Goblin is somebody who's very, very ugly and cruel. You're not goblin.
I told you many times a goblin.
No, you're not a goblin. Goblin are some animals, not really animals, some creatures are very, very ugly and cruel.
Look, somebody has red eyes.
Oh yes. So if somebody have the red eyes, they can be called the goblin, right?
They can call a ghost.
Ghost.
They can call a ghost.
Yeah, they can be called a ghost.
Yes.
Ghost.
That's movie. That movie I cannot watch it.
Why?
It's
Why
too
can't you?
dangerous.
Not dangerous. Scary.
It looks very